Hey, Fruitopians! Today we're peeling into one of the world's favorite fruits, bananas. Sweet, simple, and full of surprises. Let's dive into the wild and wonderful world of this bendy yellow legend. Believe it or not, bananas are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in human history. People have been growing and eating bananas for over 10,000 years, starting way back in Southeast Asia, places like Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Back then, bananas looked nothing like the ones we eat today. They were full of huge, rock-hard seeds, and the fruit was barely edible. But thanks to early farmers, people started crossbreeding wild types to create softer, sweeter bananas, and boom, the modern banana was born. By the 1800s, bananas were popping up in markets across Europe and the US. And today, they're one of the most popular fruits in the world. And get this, bananas are actually berries. Yup, they're in the same club as grapes and tomatoes. Crazy, right? Meanwhile, the big leafy banana tree isn't even a tree. It's the world's largest herb. Nature's just out here making up rules. Okay, let's talk about this whole idea that humans came from monkeys. You ever notice how monkeys, apes, and humans all go bananas for bananas? It's like proof right there. One monkey sees a banana, snatches it, runs up a tree. A human sees a banana, and suddenly the whole family's fighting over it like it's the last slice of cake. So maybe we didn't come from monkeys, but we definitely still act like cousins when bananas are involved. Now, back to the real magic of bananas. Let's talk about why they're absolute rock stars for your health. They're loaded with potassium to keep your heart and muscles strong, vitamin B6 to lift your mood, vitamin C for a strong immune system, and that natural fiber? Great for digestion. Basically, bananas are nature's perfect snack. No wrapper, no drama. Feeling hungry? Here's a quick banana chia pudding you can whip up with just a few ingredients. Mash one ripe banana, mix it with 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a dash of cinnamon. Let it chill in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. And boom! You've got a creamy, naturally sweet pudding that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Tastes like dessert, but it's all good stuff. And remember, bananas aren't just one size fits all. There's Cavendish, plantains, red bananas, ladyfingers, and the famous blue java that literally tastes like vanilla ice cream. It's like fruit cosplay. In some cultures, bananas are used in blessings. Banana leaves are used as natural plates. And in my kitchen, they usually disappear by the end of the day. True story. So next time someone tells you, we came from monkeys, just smile, take a bite of your banana, and say, maybe. But at least we got better snacks now. Thanks for hanging with me, Fruitopians. Stay fruity, stay fabulous, and I'll catch you next time. Peace, love, and bananas.